Now, with this course, I don't just want to make sure that you have lots of content and also different paths for going through that content and that course, but I also want to make sure that you really get the most out of this course. And that, of course, all starts with you meeting the course prerequisites. Because I really want to emphasize that for this course, you need basic web development and JavaScript knowledge. There is an optional JavaScript refresher course section right after this section here, which you can take if it's been some time since you last worked with JavaScript, or if you only got started with JavaScript a couple of months ago. But this section will not replace a complete JavaScript course. If you never worked with JavaScript at all, and if you got basically no web development knowledge, this course here won't be for you. But this course definitely is for everyone who got at least basic knowledge. No expert knowledge, no advanced knowledge is needed. Basic knowledge is enough, but you should have that basic knowledge. Well, and then of course, since this is a video-based course, you should watch the course videos, but you should watch them at your pace. Slow me down if I'm going too fast, or speed me up if I'm going too slow for your taste. It's a video on-demand course. Take advantage of that. Also, feel free to pause the videos or re-watch videos if a certain explanation isn't clear the first time, or if you need some time to think about a certain concept. Also, feel free to repeat entire sections. This is a normal part of learning something. Really take advantage of the fact that this is a video on demand course. You don't need to rush it, and you shouldn't. What you should do, though, is practice what you learned. Because only practice makes perfect. You're probably not going to learn React by just watching the videos. Instead, you should complete those coding exercises which you find in the course. You should dive into those demo projects we're building. You should also pause the videos frequently and try doing the next steps on your own. When we're building a demo project together, which we'll do a lot in this course, feel free to pause and try it on your own. Also build your own dummy demo projects. Maybe inspired by the projects and demos you see in this course, or maybe some other website you found out there. Because only by building stuff and by applying your React knowledge, which you'll gain in this course, only by doing that are you going to learn and master React. Now, of course, especially when practicing, you're probably also going to get stuck at some point, and therefore, of course, you should also help yourself and others. Now, if you're getting stuck with the demo projects or in general the code you'll see in the videos, there's good news. I do provide code attachments as part of this course. Indeed, attached to this lecture, you find a link to GitHub where you find all those code snapshots for the different course sections. You'll find multiple snapshots per section with titles that should make it easy to identify which snapshot belongs to which lecture, and you can use these snapshots to compare my code to yours. But in addition, you can of course also ask in the Q&A section if you got a problem, but I can really only encourage you to not just ask there, but also answer. Help the other students, because by answering questions, by solving problems, therefore, you're forced to apply your knowledge, to think about a problem deeply, and that, therefore, indeed is one of the main aspects of becoming a better developer. So take this opportunity to help others. And also, don't just do that in the Q&A section. Instead, as part of this course, you also get access to our Discord server. You find more details in the next lecture. And on that Discord server, you'll also find like-minded developers so that you don't have to learn React on your own, but you can instead learn it together with others.